Hi, this is activity based on relative density. I have taken coin, water and ice cubes. This is a coin, ice cubes. Now I am going to put ice cubes in the water. It is floating. See, more and more ice is there. It is floating. Now put a coin inside this. See, it sinks. So what does this mean? That means the density of water is less than density of coin, so it sinks, and the density of water is more than the density of ice. That means the density of ice is less, so it is floating. Here I have taken a bottle having a hole in the bottom. Water will not flow down until the bottle cap is closed. Once it's open, water will start dripping due to the change in atmospheric pressure. Cap is keeping all that air from coming in and pushing down on that liquid. So when I take the cap off, air is going to get in and the air should be pushing down on the top of that liquid. We have taken 4 jars here filled with water at different levels. That means the mass of the water is different from less to high. So we are seeing that mass of the water affects how fast glass vibrates. So larger mass vibrate more slowly and with less frequency. When we turn over the jar and card stays without water pouring out because of atmospheric pressure, because pressure of air molecules pushing up on the card is greater than weight of the water pushing down. When we remove the card, water stays in jar because of the surface tension. Once air will come into the jar, it will break the seal and water will come out. In this activity, I have taken a glass of water and placed it on a table. At the back side of the glass of water, I have switched on the light by using the mobile phone. See, the rainbow is formed, vibrio color is formed. I have taken rice in a beaker and a pencil marked lines on it, dropping from a height edge. Just pick it carefully where the line is. It is marked on 2. Now I am increasing the height and dropping from it different height h2. Now again take it carefully and mark. This is marked 4. Now I am going to increase the height again and take out very nicely and carefully. It is marking till 6. So that means whenever the height is going to increase, more kinetic energy will. Here is one more demonstration of terminal velocity. I have taken 3 balls made of atta and 3 glass of water of same height. Now I am going to drop it one by one on in these glasses. First of all, smaller one, see the velocity. The another one and the third one. We can see that terminal velocity increases when radius of object increases. In this activity, we drew 2 arrows on a sheet of a white paper. Then we filled an empty clear glass of water. Now we placed slowly the glass of water in front of the sheet, such that both the objects are facing each other. Now we can saw that arrows are reversed. This is due to the refraction of light, as the rays are being refracted and they change their path first from air to glass, then from glass to water, water to glass, and then back to air, which changes the direction of the arrows.